Omorogo no kugambwa kuba gwatandikaho ombwire bw'ekiro gwayusi ibiciro ry'emibazi aharu kunyomora Kamwenge.
Yakurebe sta yasinateka sana bahecira twirukanga twene.
Yateka kushaza ingaye
Yaka mukaga.
Ibire turi aho twahure ikintu cyabaruka umuriro gwayaka abantu biruka bamwe biruka baza no kuhendeka kwankati no hendekire
okusaba government no kurangu twatunga ibintu bikubasa kurwanisa umuriro abo kuba turi no kutera region Mbarara ninga Fort Portal hatukuriye ikintu kuza kurugamba rakwiza kukanuya omusitari y'embazi harimo chemicals za acids.
Tugambireho na mukuru w'irwaro yashobora okwembera ebacerizamani
wewe kiri na wenyine
ati mazi yari minji ikindi of course ariho ward zone unit zone za zine mibazi iba bari babahire yesterday so abine maze kwesa mande uko tureze mazi mande na Thursday.
It's true a number of drugs have been banned for the public. They should remain calm as investigations continue. And of course not everything has banned. Some of our drugs are still there, we assess them.
Umanyangu stoye mibazi keruksya government ne bayakora rose akwe mibazi ne begizire center kandi nacyo nitongera cya affectinga na service delivery ningashi oguhereza umwirwari
ogo gwabo murundo gwo kubanza ibiciro ry'emibazi ahirwa rero rukusya amakuru agagasha kwa Anthony Atwine.